So for this application form, I'm going to teach you how to download the application form, because you have to finish filling the form before you have your Uni-Assist application form, unless the school has an application form on their website that you have to first print out and then upload here. If that's the case, you have an application form. But if you're using for the one from Uni-Assist, you'd have to first finish somewhat and come back here and upload it. So let's start with, you can start with sample work, your CV, your letter of motivation, your passport copy, your language certificate, whatever it is that you have, you just include it here. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload some files. Like certificate. So I have gone ahead and uploaded all of these documents and I've labeled them. Be sure to check the file format and ensure that you're not trying to upload a file that is not supported. So the best bet is just to change your document to a PDF format. So after you have uploaded all the documents you need to upload, you go to the next step. And here you have declaration for your application. Click on it and the terms and conditions, then submit online. After you have submitted, you will come here and print the application form. Weddell application form, pictures, save. This is your application form for this course. So once you have saved it, you come back to click on continue. Now it's saying I have to pay 75 euros for processing. Recall that we left out the application form while we were uploading our documents. That's because we did not have it yet. It's after we have printed the application form that we'll go back and attach it. So now we'll come here, click on masters. Any of these links here, you can click on any. It brings you here and then you just go straight ahead to the next step. We have filled all of these ones. And then we'll come here and attach it, application form. And once you have it, you upload file. I already did it, so it's here, upload file, and then you go to the next step. So by doing this, you have included the application form in the application. So you click on go to next step, and that's it. Your application has been submitted already to Uni-Assist. So you just continue. You already printed it out, so you don't need to print it anymore. Continue. And that's it. So if you want to create a new application, you just have to come here, create a new application, and go through all the process again. There are some schools that require more documents than the other, and that's what I'm going to show here. So let's say you're back here, let's choose another course here, this. Yeah, you create a new application, Go to next step. We've done all these ones, that's why I'm fast forwarding. So now you're here, because each school have their different documents that they need. If this school you're applying to require all of this, you have to tick it like so. They can't require wedded application form. They're going to need their own application form. So you're going to have to do the same thing. If there are documents that are not here that they need, you come here, you upload them again, and then do the next thing. Remember again that we have to upload the application form. So you have to finish the process again. Go to next step. Take your declaration. Submit online. Continue. Print the application form and then go back and upload it like we did in the previous video. And once you're done, you come here. You're supposed to have it written as €30 here because it's the second application, but because you haven't even paid the first one, they haven't recognized it as the first one, so that's why you have it here like this. Let me show you my Uni-Assist. So this is my, you can see that the first one has 75 and the second one has 30, and it will go like that. So subsequent ones will be 30 while the first one is 75.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you want me to help you pay your Uni-Assist fee, or you can reach me via email or my Instagram handle. I'm going to put the link to that too in the description box below. See you next time. Bye.
Yeah, click on this and then go straight to here. Remember, we have the application form left, so you come back here, click on application form, and then you download it. Weather application form. So now we have the application form for this, and then we'll go